Money Maker Bandits Early Bird Special Opening Day Major League Baseball April 1st. Be sure to like, subscribe, click the bell icon. Money Maker Bandit, the #1 ranked Early Bird Special Pro Sports Capper in the world. Start your day with a winner with Bandit's Early Bird Special. You've been losing all day. You need a winner. Bandit's got your back with the Late Night Special. Money Maker Bandit, the #1 ranked Late Night Special Pro Sports Capper in the world. Major League Baseball, Cleveland Indians at Detroit Tigers. Money Maker Bandit playing under 7.5 points. Cleveland and Detroit under 7.5 runs. Money Maker Bandit, king of the 1-minute videos, making you money in 1 minute. Money Maker out.